After mixing colors, test them on the canvas side on masking tape. If they are off, redo them. Lastly, apply the color on the canvas. If done well, there should be no noticeable difference. Regarding colors, the idea I tried to describe and that everyone should prioritize is breaking the barriers of knowledge about colors. Each of us has a limitations in reproducing certain colors. But imagine how much easier it would be if I could replicate any color on my canvas quickly and easily. Do you really think that problems of oil painting are solved just by painting more? There are small insights you need to understand first. There are simple ideas that, once understood, break bad old habits and help you improve faster. On my Patreon page, I share these practical tips that really make a difference in a portrait painting. If you want to go deeper, why not consider joining my premium Patreon page? Many of my students who subscribed have seen real progress and significant improvements in their portrait work. You can find all the information in the link I'm leaving below the video.